Today we can discuss about cardiac conduction system. The cardiac conduction system is a network of specialized cardiac muscle cells that initiate and transmit the electric impulses responsible for the coordinated contractions of each cardiac cycle. Two types of cells control the heartbeat. So we can see the two types of cells that control the heartbeat are conducting cells as well as the muscle cells. Conducting cells carry the electrical signals. Muscle cells control the heart's contractions. Next, we can see the components of the cardiac conduction system. So, in the cardiac conduction system, the mostly the involvement of nodes and the fibers involved in the particular cardiac conduction system are sinoatrial node, atrioventricular node, atrioventricular bundle, that is bundle of Hughes, and the Purkinje fibers. These are the components of the cardiac conduction system. So the particular conduction system will be initiated from the SA node, then it will be passed to the AV node, then to the bundle of Hughes, and to the finally to the Purkinje fibers. First we can see about sinoatrial node. Sinoatrial node is sometimes called as heart's natural pacemaker. It sends the electrical impulse that starts the heartbeat. SA node is in the, that is the particular SA node will be located in the upper part of the heart's right atrium. It is at the edge of atrium near the superior vena cava. Next node is the atrioventricular node. So next important node, that is first we had discussed about the sinoatrial node. Next we are going to discuss about the atrioventricular node, which is the next part of the conduction system. The atrioventricular node delays the SA node's electrical signal. It delays the signal by a consistent amount of time, that means a fraction of a second during each time. AV node is located in an area known as the triangle of Koch. This is near the central area of the heart. So previously I told the conduction system will be initiated from the SA node and it will be transmitted to the AV node, then to the bundle of Hughes and to the Purkinje fibers. So when the Purkinje fibers contract, the blood will be pumped to various parts of the body from the heart. You can see in detail about the bundle of Hughes. The bundle of Hughes is also called the atrioventricular bundle. It is a branch of fibers, that is nerve cells, that extend from the atrioventricular node. This fiber bundle receives the electrical signal from the AV node and carries to the Purkinje fibers. The bundle of Hughes runs down the length of the interventricular septum. So here is the diagram for the conduction of the conduction system of the heart. So again the same thing, only the impulse will be transmitted from the SA node to the atrioventricular node, then to the bundle of Hughes and to the Purkinje fibers. The bundle of Hughes has two main branches, left bundle branch as well as right bundle branch. Left bundle branch send electrical signals through the Purkinje fibers and then to the left ventricle. Right bundle branch sends electrical signals through the Purkinje fibers to right ventricle. Purkinje fibers are branches of specialized nerve cells. They send electrical signals very quickly to the right as well as left heart ventricles. When the Purkinje fibers deliver electrical signals to the ventricles will contract. So this is the conduction system of the heart. The conduction of impulse in the heart is generated in the SA node at a rate of 70 to 80 beats per minute. Therefore, SA node is called as the pacemaker of the heart. So you used to get the question, multiple choice questions. No, here you can get the question, which is the pacemaker of the heart. So pacemaker of the heart is the SA node, or sinoatrial node is the pacemaker of the heart. And how the impulse will be spread. The wave of Impulse spread to both atria through the muscle tissues simultaneously, causing them to contract. From SA node, impulse passes to ventricle through the AV node. Upon reaching the AV node, the signal is delayed by 0.13 seconds. This delay causes ventricle to contract after atrial contraction. It is then conducted into the bundle of his down the interventricular septum. The bundle branches and the Purkinje fibers spread the wave impulses at fastest rate along the ventricles, causing them to contract. The impulse generation and transmission is an electrical event, whereas contraction and relaxation of the heart are mechanical events. So here again once more I am telling, the impulse generation and transmission is an electrical event, whereas contraction and relaxation of the heart muscles are mechanical event. Mechanical events always follow electrical events. So this is the conduction of the impulse in the heart. So the impulse will be created in the SA node. So from the SA node, this will be spread to the right as well as the left atrium, and then to the AV node, then to the bundle of His, and finally to the Purkinje fibers. As a whole, when the Purkinje fibers used to contract, what will happen means, totally from the ventricles they used to contraction may used to happen, and the blood from the heart will be pumped to various parts of the body. This is the conduction system of the heart. Hope you have understood. Thank you so much.